Hi everyone, it is me, Commodore. Today we are unboxing this Matchbox Holden via Commodore SSV with 35 out of 100 with white, blue and orange. And there's a Holden logo on the top. And this is an Australian car from Australia. And it was renamed by Chevrolet SS. And there's a Holden trademark. Okay, let's unbox this car. Front, we have black grille, passenger side with highway patrol, police keeping 5K safe. Keeping as a safe. Rear, driver side, and roof. The code says S28. That's the code. Okay? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. And I will see you again in the next video.